Good evening, teacher.
Good evening. All right, so last Tuesday I have some problem, and now today we will continue with unit 0B, okay? And I will check your homework. All right.
Yes.
Okay, but I don't have a lot of time to check it carefully, and I will check it later with the keys. Okay, I will talk to you later.
Okay. Okay.
All right, now today we will continue with unit 0B. All right, now can you see my full screen?
Yes.
Now task 4. Explain the difference between the sentences A and B in each pair. This means in number 1, we have two sentences A and B. So now you explain what is the difference between them, okay? You understand?
Yes, I understand.
All right, now let's read the each pair of the sentences and explain, okay? You will have 4 minutes to prepare. Remember about the uses of the tense I teach you before.
Okay.
Ah, sorry. So did you have the result of the regular test at school?
Yes.
How many marks did you get?
10 out of 10.
Okay, quite good.
Okay.
Ah, very good.
Mhm.
Now, the number one,
Number one A is we use the present continuous for future arrangement, and one B is uh, we use the present simple for something that happen regularly.
now let's check. All right. So A is arrange due after school, and B is always do homework after school. This is present simple, right?
Yes,
In the sentence, A is
present continuous.
right. Now, number two,
Number two A is we use the present continuous for something that happening at this moment. And number two B is for we use present simple for a fact.
right? Number one, two A's is at the moment, and B a fact, right?
Yes.
Now, number three,
Number three A is we use present simple for something that happening regularly. And number three B is we use present continuous for something that happening at this moment.
now let's see number one, which tense,
Uh, we use present simple.
right? Number one is the fact or the habit. Number sorry, sentence B is at the moment or now. Now, number four,
Number four A is we use present continuous for something for future arrangements. And number four B is we use the present simple for something that reg, uh, happens regularly, always, or never.
all right. Number one is haven't made a plan, right? This means
Yes,
they don't have a plan to go on holiday in August. B never go, right?
yes,
And a question for this?
no.
No. Now, let's move to task 5. Let's complete the dialogue. Use the present simple or present continuous form of the verbs in brackets. Then listen and check. Right?
Okay.
Now let's look at number one is an example. Hi, Toby. What are you doing? Let's pay attention for the cues, okay, for which each tense.
Finished.
All right, let's write to answer. I've got it. Let's write to answer on the screen.
Okay. I'm finished.
Now let's check. I'm at the sports center.
I am waiting for Tom.
Right. I'm waiting for Tom.
Are you going swimming?
No, we
We are playing table tennis.
we
We
play
play every
every
Saturday.
Saturday. What?
What is he doing?
Right. What he's doing? I
I don't know.
He isn't answering his phone.
Okay.
Why? Because here he is doing, asking about he, not you.
Okay.
Understand? And this question is in present continuous, right?
Okay.
And your
Yes.
answer must be in present continuous. You said you don't know. This is in present, but
Okay.
he is continuous, not simple. Understand?
Yes.
Người ta hỏi về anh ấy chứ không hỏi về mình.
Yeah.
Nên là liên quan đến anh đấy thì phải trả lời theo cái thì của cái câu hỏi đấy. All right, I'm at the shopping center, but
Uh, I'm, I am not buying.
anything today.
Do you like table tennis? And do you want to play? Uh,
Sure, sure,
but
but
I am not wearing sport clothes. Are you wearing trainers? And you don't need to, you don't need sport clothes. Okay.
any question for this one?
No.
All right, pay attention for the questions, okay? Nhớ là người ta hỏi thì gì trả lời thì đấy. Now, task 6, ask and answer the question. Use the activity below or your own ideas. Everyday activity is do homework, go shopping. Now, what do you usually do after school?
I often help my mother with the household chores, or sometimes I hang out with my friends, ride a bike, and play badminton with my younger brother.
So what are you doing after school today?
Or after school today, I am helping my mother with the household chores, and then I ride a bike.
Riding a bike.
Riding, okay.
So what do you usually do at the weekend?
I often stay at home, uh, listening to music, study English, reading books, write stories, or sometimes I go to my grandparents' house and help my grandmother with the uh, helps my grandmother doing the gardening
Okay. So what are you doing this weekend?
this weekend. I think I need to study all the weekends because I will have the term test next week, so I need to study for the weekend.
Alright. Ở đây chúng ta nhớ này. Thì
Yeah.
hiện tại tiếp diễn ngoài ra còn được sử dụng như là một thì tương lai đơn để nói về cái sự kiện trong tương lai. What are you doing next school holiday?
Uh, I think I will hang out with some of my friends and go to my teacher's house and eat there.
Visit my teacher.
Visit my teachers. Okay.
All right, now we study about grammar, about article. Do you know it? Articles.
Wait, I forgot.
Articles. Remember it?
No, I don't
No.
remember.
All right, articles ở đây là mạo từ.
Okay.
So in the article, now let's look at the photo of the classroom. What are unusual about it?
Uh,
What is unusual about it? Có cái gì bất thường ở đây đi?
I think the unusual thing about it is the robot teach the student.
Right. There is a robot door in the classroom.
Okay.
And the robot on the right is a teacher.
Okay.
Now let's read the text and check your idea. Would you like to learn English in a classroom like this? Why or why not? Okay. Read it and check your idea. Answer the questions. Okay.
Finish.
Now, would you like to study in a classroom like this? Why not?
I think I don't like this learn English in a classroom like this because I think that robots uh, they don't have feelings and they can't give us advice as a real teacher can. Okay.
Right. Okay. So for me, sometimes depend on each subject, right? Each subject that we join, right? If either information technology, this very good lesson, right? Because because um, students can practice with their modern robot modern device and have them practice very fluent with the computers or can have them enrich the knowledge about the IT, right?
Yes.
But I dislike one the robot teach you about some lesson like literature,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Literature, because they don't have the feeling as people, right?
Yes.
And they can't share the opinion. What? How do they feel about this? About
Yes.
this? About the poet or the date, right?
Yes.
So now let's learn this about article. Now we use what to talk about something for the first time.
Uh, use I think or an.
And un, right? And un to talk about the first time. Now, when we mention something again, we use
We use
the. One is clear what what we are talking about. When there is only one of something, we use
we use
the. To say what someone's job is, we use
we use and an.
and un. So note these short phrases.
Uh,
Number
the
five, There six.
There is an or a.
Nothing.
No, nothing here.
Alright. Nào, chúng ta sử dụng mạo từ và ân. Đầu tiên là khi nó được nhắc đến lần thứ nhất. Được chưa? Với vật nha, nhớ là với vật. Với vật, với người khi được nhắc đến lần thứ nhất. Lần đầu ấy. Rồi tiếp là đến chỉ về nghề nghiệp. Được chưa? Job kìa, nghề nghiệp. Và chỉ về số lượng. Chỉ về số lượng. Được chưa nào? Một. Được chưa nào? Là một. Còn the thì được sử dụng khi mà những cái sự vật, sự việc hay là danh từ chỉ người, chỉ vật được nhắc đến lần thứ hai. Được chưa nào? Được nhắc đến lần thứ hai thì chúng ta sử dụng the. Tiếp đến là với danh từ chỉ thứ tự, tức là với số chỉ thứ tự ấy, the first, the second, the last. Được chưa nào? Chỉ thứ tự lần thứ nhất, thứ hai, thứ ba, thứ tư. Thứ nhất, thứ hai, thứ ba, thứ tư. Được chưa? Chỉ thứ tự. Rồi tiếp là được nói đến với những cái danh từ duy nhất. Ví dụ như là gì? The sun, the moon, the earth là chỉ có duy nhất. Rồi tiếp đến là sử dụng với danh từ chỉ đại dương. Danh từ chỉ đại dương, ví dụ như là Pacific. Rồi tên của một số nước, ví dụ như the US, the UK. Và trước tên của các loại nhạc cụ. The piano, the violin, the trumpet, the flute. Ngoài ra thì là dùng để cấu tạo ra danh từ chỉ người số nhiều. Nha. Ân thì là mạo từ không xác định. Không xác định và dùng với danh từ số ít. Còn the thì là một mạo từ xác định nha. Ân không xác định nhưng the là xác định, và the này thì dùng được cả số ít và cả số nhiều, cả đếm được và cả không đếm được. Còn ân thì chỉ dùng được với lại là đếm được và ở số ít thôi. Understand it?
Yes.
Nhớ nha, ân không xác định dùng với danh từ đếm được số ít. Còn the là mạo từ xác định, dùng được với cả danh từ số ít và danh từ số nhiều, cả đếm được và cả không đếm được. Alright, understand it?
Yes, I understand.
That's right. Ghi lại cái thầy vừa thầy nói chưa?
Dạ rồi ạ. Finish.
All right, now let's read the text again and match the highlighted word with a rule in learn this box. Okay.
Finished.
Alright, let's write your answer. I forgot it. Bây giờ cái bài tập nào liên quan đến này nhớ ghi lên nhé. Thầy không nhớ nhắc nữa đâu. Không cần nhắc nữa nha.
Mà ghi như thế nào rồi?
Ừ?
Rồi em phải ghi như thế nào ạ?
Cái nào thì là được nhắc đến lần đầu tiên ở trong cái này.
Ok.
Hiểu không? Nó là cả một cái danh từ nha, chứ không phải mỗi ơn đâu nhá.
Dạ.
Oh, right. Viết vào bên này này.
Sorry teacher.
Alright. Nào ghi lên đây cho thầy, ghi lên đây. Đừng gạch chân.
Ok. Them.
All right, now let's check. We use earn to talk about something for the first time is a classroom and a primary school.
Okay.
We use the we use the when we mention something again, the classroom, the teacher, the robot, the students. Oh, you
Okay.
forgot the students. We
Yes.
use the when it is clear what we are talking about, or when there is only one of something, the robot, the girl, or the girl on the right, or at university. Oh, at university, not at.
Okay.
Now next one.
I'm finished.
Now let's see. We use earn to say what someone's job is. A teacher, a real teacher, an English teacher. Forgot it?
Yes.
Note these such phrases at university.
Okay.
Understand it?
Yes.
Now let's complete the dialogue. Use a, an, or the, and explain your choices.
Okay. I'm finished.
Now, number two was
What's the name of the school?
right. Is
Or is a private school?
private.
A private. Okay.
I know
I know the girl who goes there.
a girl.
A
Chị
girl.
ơi, chị bật nhắc đến lần đầu tiên.
Okay.
There's
There is an Alice Smith.
I
I wonder
wonder if is
if it's the same one.
she got blue eyes, long wavy hair, and
Uh, a, s- a nice smile.
oh, my dad's
Oh, my dad is a math teacher here. There.
there, John Chapman. All
Okay.
right. Now, any question for this?
No.
No. Lưu ý này, thứ nhất, người, vật nhắc đến lần đầu tiên nha. Understand?
Yes.
All right. So this is the end of the question today. So any questions for today?
No.
No, if you don't have any question, we stop here today. And remember, study about the articles, okay?
Okay.
All right. If you don't have any question, we stop here. Goodbye. See you next
Goodbye,
week.
teacher. Okay.